Hi, we have here an Epson L4150. So this printer was not taking out some colors like black is not there, magenta is not there, but you can see all the tanks are full. So if it happens to you, let me show you something. This was the first page printing. You can see because I did a test on all colors, all these colors. So when I do a test, this is what I could get. You understand? So if I got this should be black, the first one here, but it's not black. So it mixes with other colors to try to mimic black. This was supposed to be magenta, nothing's there. Cyan, nothing there. Magenta, you can see it's not also fine. Yellow and stuff, they are fine. So what I did, I'm gonna show you what I did. So after doing what I did get better results. The first nozzle checkup, I got this. You can see that it wasn't right, the cyan. So up until I got this guy, you can see the lines are perfect and everything is fine. So you can see that if you compare the two, they are not the same. So this one has some broken lines, you get me? So then after doing what I did, then I got it perfect, all colors. You can see all colors. All colors are 100% fine. You can see. So this is the result. So now, okay, the solution I'm gonna show you, it works on most of the Epsons I know. So this was the test page. What you do, make sure you go to Epson and install the drivers for the printer, then test if it makes print out. Don't worry if it doesn't print well, but make sure also when you right click here and go to printing preferences, the software should show you this tab called maintenance. So when you're on maintenance, that's when you're gonna click there. Then you're gonna run the first thing, Nozzle Check. So when you run it, it's gonna print out and it's gonna show you. See? Something's happening, it's taking longer. I'm not expecting that. Oh, it's me who didn't say I was about to print. Then press print. Okay, you see, because I did everything fine already, so that's why you can see it's like this, right? So now you're gonna do, the first thing to do is it will ask you to clean. You should clean, right? But I'm not going to clean those, it's gonna take time. I'm gonna show you. You click on head cleaning, right? After head cleaning, then you run what? Power cleaning. If you don't get the better results, you repeat all the what? The thing. So also you can also run this print head alignment. Say next. Say next. Print. Okay. Say next. But anyway, when I say finish, it takes time to do that. But anyway, what I'm gonna say is like run all what I've showed you, all the steps. After running them, then your printer should be fine. You get it? So it's gonna take time. Sometimes you can run it 2-3 times each I'm saying each step. Run it 1, 1, 1. You go back 1, 1, 1. But these are the most important. You get me? So once you're done with those, then your printer is gonna be fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.